Three major wildfires continue to disrupt lives in Arizona, USA. As of Saturday, June 18th, the Wallow fire, now the largest in Arizona's history, had scorched over 500,400 acres, but was 38% contained thanks to the efforts of 4,000 firefighters. Some 200 people from the town of Greer remained under evacuation as the blaze entered its 21st day, while residents of Alpine, a small town of 750, were able to return to their homes that had been thankfully saved. To the south, in the Huachuca Mountains near the Mexican border, 1,000 firefighting personnel were battling the Monument Fire, just south of Sierra Vista, a city of 70,000 people. By Saturday morning, the 15% contained blaze had destroyed 47 homes and consumed 20,000 acres, with some 7,200 residents evacuated.
Meanwhile, the Horseshoe Two fire in the southeast was 70% contained, having charred over 206,000 acres as residents of West Turkey Creek remained displaced. The fire had been ignited May 8th, with over 1.3 million gallons of water and retardant having been dropped on the flames since. To aid in the area's recovery, Arizona's Governor Jan Brewer declared a state of emergency for the Monument and the Horseshoe Two fires, making Cochise County eligible for $100,000 to cover emergency response and recovery costs and enabling the mobilization of the Arizona National Guard. Our appreciation for Governor Brewer's thoughtful initiatives and for the tireless courage of the many firefighters. As we pray for the protection of humans and animals alike, may such destructive events be alleviated through our kinder regard for all fellow beings on earth.
Supreme Master Ching Hai wants to convey this message of gratitude to all governments, organizations, and relief workers from every corner of the world. Thank you, all the international and national help that brings care and necessities to afflicted victims. Thank you, all the relief workers, for taking time and forsaking your own comfort, even traveling great distance on unfavorable roads and conditions to bring love and assistance to people in time of need. May heaven bless you abundantly for your generosity and noble sacrifice.